So this is the temperature control system, the on and off temperature control system, where we have the heater, the fan, and our sensor and our HMI screen. So this is the set point. This is the current value, 34 degrees of the heater. And let's set our temperature set point and the high temperature alarm set point. Let's set this 50. Let's set the temperature set point to 35. So as you can see, the heater is on because the temperature is less than the set point. So but let's test the manual mode. Let's set the manual mode. So on the manual mode, we can on. See, the heater is off now. We can on the heater. So the heater is on. The display of the heater is on. The furnace is green. So we can switch it off. So it's off and off here. So we can also on the fan. Fan is on. You can see it's on here. And manually you can switch it off. It's off. And you can simulate the high temperature. Let's put it to 20. High temperature. Okay, let's on it to that temperature. So let's simulate high temperature. The heater is on, the temperature is rising. It rises to more than 50. See, it's more than 50. The temperature is high. Temperature alert blinking for high temperature alert. So the manual is working fine. So let's go to the auto and set our points. So it's now on auto and it's working fine. But the temperature is high, the fan is on. The alarm is still ringing because it's still more than the high temperature point. So the fan is on, automatically cooling the system. So this is automatic cooling. It's cooling the system now automatically. It's taking the temperature down. The high temperature blinking has stopped because it is less than 50. So automatically it's regulating the temperature. So this is an automatic on and off system of temperature control. So it's dropping the temperature by the fan is cooling the system. Dropping the heater temperature. Dropping the heater temperature. Dropping the heater temperature.
After that.
It's cooling. When it gets too cold, it's automatically on the heater when the temperature gets below.
जी আছে
Z file.